Good evening, Don from How To's and Reviews, and today we're going to open up this Belkin Boost Charge Magnetic Portable Wireless Charging Pad. Comes with a cable management. So we'll do a quick unboxing and we'll see how it does on the MagSafe Apple case and on the phone directly. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Without further ado, we'll get right into opening this up. And this particular charger is 7.5 watts when you're using the USB-C connection. So this still isn't going to charge as fast as the Apple product. Nice and heavy. Cord's really thick. Nice job. A little clip here to hold the cable. And this particular cord looks like it's 6.6 feet long. Very long. USB-C connection. And here's the charging pad. So we'll go ahead and stick it to the case first. Very strong connection. It feels stronger than the Apple MagSafe charger. And we'll go ahead and do the same thing here. And it holds it up. Good sign. Very strong connection. I want to say that this is definitely stronger than the MagSafe charger on the Apple. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing of the Belkin Boost Charge, please leave some comments below. More videos to come. Thank you. This is Don from How To's and Reviews.